Hi, I'm Hina. Welcome to my recipe page. Today's recipe is number 240, Dum Pukht, a traditional winter dish from northern India. The name comes from Persian, dum meaning to breathe or steam and pukht meaning to cook. It refers to slow cooking in a sealed pot so the food steams in its own juices. This is a true one-pan dish. The only seasoning used here is salt, yet the flavor is deep and rich. There's no added oil. The fat from the meat melts on high heat during the first 10 minutes, creating steam and building the base. After that, it's slow cooked until tender. As you'll see in the video, the meat falls off the bone so easily. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out.